Hey everybody, it's me and this is my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain what still life photography is and give you some fun and interesting ways to use it to make great photographs. Still life photography is the art of photographing inanimate objects, usually with the intention of creating an image that is pleasing or thought-provoking, than one that is purely documentary or journalistic in nature. The term still life comes from the art world where it was used to describe paintings of inanimate objects, usually arranged artificially. Think of those old classic paintings of fruit and flowers and stuff like that. But these days, still life can refer to any type of photography that features inanimate objects as its subject matter, such as products, landscapes, cityscapes, architecture, and even shadows. Still life photography is a great way to experiment with different styles and techniques without having to worry about things like lighting, composition, and focus because, let's face it, inanimate objects aren't going to run away. You can take your time and really focus on getting the shot just right. Plus, it's a lot of fun to play around with different props and backgrounds and really create something unique and interesting. And don't forget, you don't need expensive gear or even to leave your house to take great still life photos. All you need is a smartphone with a decent camera and a little bit of creativity. Here are some fun and interesting ways to use still life photography to make great images. Use natural elements such as leaves, flowers, branches, and rocks to create unique and interesting compositions. Use geometric shapes and patterns to create a sense of harmony and balance in your images. Use light and shadow to create depth and dimension in your images. Try shooting through different household items such as vases, glasses, and bottles to create unique and interesting reflections and refractions in your images. Use double exposures to create surreal and dreamy images. This is a fun one. Use light painting to create images with a sense of movement and energy. This one's really fun. Use a long exposure to create images with a sense of motion and flow. So, there you have it. A quick introduction to still life photography and some fun and interesting ways to use it to make great images. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it has inspired you to go out there and take some great still life photos of your own. Don't forget to share your work with us and to stay tuned for more photography tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.